What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your Windows 11 Start menu design and layout. Customizing your Start menu can make your Windows experience more personalized and efficient. Click on the Start button or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Select the gear icon to open the Settings app, or type Settings and hit Enter. In the Settings window, click on Personalization from the left-hand menu. Here, you will find various options to customize your Windows experience. Click on Start from the Personalization menu. This section allows you to customize how your Start menu looks and behaves. Toggle the Show More Pins option to display more pinned apps in your Start menu. This is useful if you want quick access to more of your favorite apps. Click on Folders to add or remove folders that appear in the Start menu. You can add folders like Documents, Downloads, Music, Pictures, Videos, and Network for quick access. Go back to the Personalization menu and select Colors. Here, you can change the accent color that applies to the Start menu, taskbar, and other elements. You can select a predefined color or click on Custom Color to pick your own. Make sure the Start, Taskbar, and Action Center option is checked to apply the color to your Start menu. Head to the Choose Your Default App Mode section and select Dark to enable dark mode. This will change the Start menu and other app backgrounds to a darker color, which can be easier on the eyes and give a sleek look. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.